Hello guys. Today we have a Dell. It's a Dell Latitude. It's E6530. Anyway, it came here with no display. Actually, it doesn't boot up. Of which I believe maybe there's something wrong with the motherboard. But before we continue, please press the subscribe button. Go ahead, subscribe now, and I promise you will learn and learn and learn and learn until you are tired. But let's go ahead. Let me show it to you right now. Let's grab the charger. I'm trying to connect the charger. Where is it? It's here. You can get the light. PC is turning on. As soon as you plug in the charger, the PC turns on. As you can see, the on light automatically turns on, but we have nothing on the screen. The first thing that we do when we repair a board, we do a physical inspection, right? So according to my physical inspection, what I have seen so far, all right, see, it's all over. Yuck. Yuck. This is yuck. Yeah. So we'll try to treat this corrosion. After treating this corrosion, we'll have to reflow the board, because this is a mess, guys. You can all see that this is a mess. I'm almost done cleaning the board. Okay guys, here we are. This is a corrosion. This is where we were checking. Let's check. Now it's much more clean. I won't lie, it's much more clean as compared to before. So what do you guys suggest? I think here we should come up with some heat. Let's put some heat. Let's put flaxseed. Let's reflow this whole place and then clean it later. The trees are, and then come up with some heat. Okay guys, let's put back, before we put back everything, I'm gonna try to turn it on. Let's take a charger. Let's plug in the charger. It's turning on. It's not turning on. Oh, it's turning on. You can see the light there. I think it's resetting. Anyway, it's shutting down again, but I believe it's working. Why is it not turning on now? Why there's no display? Okay, you know what? Let's remove the board again. Let's check one more time. Wait, let me press the power button. Okay, it's on. Oh, Okay. All right, this is lovely. Yeah. Anyway, before I go, don't forget to press the subscribe button and watch more of my videos. You'll learn everything step by step. Anyway, I love you guys. Sharp, 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 sharp.